Hey everyone, welcome back to AirDroid channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to remote into your work computer from home. Whether you need to access files, use specific software, or just stay productive, this guide will help you get connected quickly and securely. Let's get started. The computer remote access software we will use is AirDroid Remote Support. First, go to AirDroid official website to download software for the controlled and controller side. After installation, open AirDroid Remote Support on your work computer. You'll see a unique 9-digit connection code and the password. Keep this code and password handy as you'll need it to connect from your home computer. On your home computer, enter the 9-digit connection code you got from your work computer and click Connect. Then enter the password. And you can establish remote connection between your work computer and home computer right away. If you need frequent access to your work computer at home, then you can enroll your work computer and set the unattended mode, so you can initiate control with one click next time. You can now access your work computer's desktop, files, and applications as if you were sitting right in front of it. Now download and try AirDroid Remote Support for free. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.